Welcome to Infiniti Clarendon Hills, and here's a look at one of our expert selected vehicles for sale. This fantastic vehicle comes equipped with power windows with driver express up and down, HD radio, heated power adjustable outside mirrors, heated front seats, rear view camera, premium audio system, climate control, Sirius XM satellite radio, power sliding rear window and defogger, standard suspension, and much more. Family owned since 2011, Infiniti of Clarendon Hills has been providing the best purchasing and owning experience for all of our guests. We are the winner of Dealer Rater Consumer Satisfaction Award 5 years running and a Carfax Top Rated Dealer 2019 through 2021. We provide a friendly and knowledgeable staff that is happy to help you drive home in a vehicle that is just right for you. Infiniti of Clarendon Hills strives to offer the best extended service contracts, prepaid maintenance, and many more protection plans for further peace of mind and ease of ownership. So give us a call at 630-468-9000 or stop by today.